scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Finding where a function increases at a decreasing rate is a classic calculus challenge. Let's solve this fast by checking the first and second derivatives. First, we need the derivative to find where the function is increasing. Differentiating our function gives 9 plus 6x minus 3x squared. This must be greater than 0 here. Next, a decreasing rate means the second derivative must be negative. Differentiating again gives 6 minus 6x. We set this less than 0, which tells us x is above 1. Combine these conditions. The first derivative is positive between negative 1 and 3. The second is negative above 1. This leaves the interval 1, 3. Well done! Option D is correct. Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust the process and check steps.